What's up, guys? Here at Miami Beach, here in Miami, and doing my morning walk. Just wanna give you guys some insight. Yes, even if I'm on vacation, guys, I normally still do yung aking pong morning routine, which is waking up early than the usual, waking up earlier than my kids, so that I can think and go through my journal, read books, feed our mind. Because if you've been following me, guys, for quite a while, and you probably heard me saying that we are now in an information age. We are now not in industrial age anymore, na muscle and you will get paid with simply amount of work that you do. Wala na po tayo ron. Hanggang ngayon sa stage na we get paid with our creativity, with our mind. My truck right there. See that truck? You guys have been to a beach yung maraming seaweeds and all, right? Yan yung truck na naglilinis sa mga, I don't even know what you call it, if it's seaweed or whatnot, but yeah, sila yung naglilinis on. So it's pretty cool. But anyways, going to what I'm saying. They've been noisy because of the, look at the sunrise, right? Beautiful. See that? It's really cool. So normally when I go for vacation, I just book a hotel close to the beach. But anyways, going to what I'm saying, we get paid with our creativity. And the thing is, we are bombarded with media. TV, radio, social media, and all those things. And because of that, we tend to lose our creativity. So basically what happens is, kung ano yung nangyayari or we normally hear from other people or from our outside resources, yun na rin nagiging thinking natin eh. Parang ganun eh. Parang nalulunod tayo with all the information that we tend to lose yung ating creative juices at tinatawag. And in business building, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, we are getting paid with our creativity. So if you're thinking, what is a great marketing strategy? What is a great product? How do I price my product? How do I research my competitors? And all those things, that requires your creativity. So, if you don't spend time sitting down every single day, then you won't figure it out what would be the best for you. But instead, you just gonna copy another expert or guru out there instead of having your own marketing campaign, products, business based on your own strength, right? So ganun po yung mangyayari doon. So again, ma-overwhelm ka with all the other people are saying about their opinion about life, about money, about business. So that is the thing. And for me, through these exercises that I do every morning, ganun po yung nangyayari, right? I was able to discover a few things about me, negative thoughts, things that disempower me, things that I should be asking myself. Kung yung mga natutunan ko ba when I was a young man, if it's even real, if it's even true. So ganun po yun. So that is why I encourage you guys, letting you know that probably the most important thing that you can do every single day is just sit down, get a notebook, write a journal, write any thoughts, ideas, desires, ambition, dreams. So yung tinatawag nila na yung definite chief aim. Ano ba yung, if this is like this one specific goal that you want to accomplish in the next 3 months or 1 year, what could that be? And stay focused on that, that no matter what happened throughout the year, you just have this one goal and to accomplish this thing. It could be paying off your debt kung meron kang utang, or starting an online business, or reaching your first 1 million this year. Whatever that may be, ikaw na mag-define on, okay? So I hope this video helped you guys. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.